ready for the time of your life.
I'm holding at the windows, looking at my heart. Start nodding my head like yeah.
I'm doing my cousin's makeup.
Don't be fucking
Rude. Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette and do a smoky eye on her because, wow, look how clean.
I got you something to clean it.
Her glass is full. We're gonna use the tape shape to prime her eyes. It's gonna be really bad, you guys. Can I use my vomit fingers? Look up. Her neck. I need to like go on the right side.
sister.
Never say that again.
A sober snapping sister, and I.
Am I really poking it?
You're moving my eyelid.
Okay, well good, because it's looking
Hard.
blended, isn't it?
No.
Smack that bitch.
It is actually right now.
Where are you taking inspiration from?
Camp Rock, I just said.
What in Camp Rock?
Yeah, like what the Mitchie's shirt, you know, in the first
Oh.
movie, she was that red shirt.
Oh boy.
I feel like there's
Wait.
something with red shirts that are racist.
That's from the army in history class. Like Garibaldi's army.
Stay up in the air, feeling good, feeling great. Just got they play in my jam, they play in my jam.
Who said that? Who said that?
Who said that? Who said that? Who am I saying that?
How long you been broke? How long you been broke? Nah, answer the question. Answer the question. I can't go to Jonathan's right now. Did you see the collapse of Maybelline? Did you see Free Nikki? That was like funny. Free Nikki. Wow, my nose is running. I've actually never done this good on someone's makeup before, so I'm
Literally I watched that happen.
literally blink. That's not my fault, people of the internet.
We're sliding, Chloe, it's not my fault. Oh my god, oh my god.
That's nothing concealer can fix, am I right?
Can fix? You mean can't?
Don't even open it. Like, keep them shut. Don't even. Or I will sue.
Your nasty hand's probably gonna break me out.
Yeah, it will.
Wow, Cookie Monster.
You stop. Keep it shut. Stop. You literally. She did that part. No.
You told me not to.
You said I'm not liking it over a big camera by quote.
And I said I don't want to put it in the case.
I thought you wanted to do that.
You were wrong.
My lips are crusty.
Yeah, they are. I'm sorry for that.
Your arms are fat.
Say coming from an ugly ass bitch like you, I guess I do.
I know. That's why I almost didn't upload the Camp Rock video.
I'm only saying that because you called my feet fat.
I did not call your feet fat.
Ella got her fat, but
Julia, you doing makeup reminds me of like a serial killer. Like just the way that you act. But like it's fine.
Oh my god.
That's how most
Snap
beauty
my neck.
gurus. I can't say guru.
It looks good when I look down, but when I look up and like my crease folds, it looks kind of weird. That's just my eye shape.
Yeah, it is, because your eye shape's weird. No, I'm kidding. Don't ruin it, please.
It looks good.
It looks good. I just repeated exactly what I said. I didn't mean to.
It looks good!
Feeling your sweaty hand stick against my cheek.
Oh my god, I'm being literally attacked. Oh my god. I'm sorry, this shade is patchy.
I'm being dead honest. It's such a natural product. Like truly nice.
Hey? No. Open your eye. Did I do that? Fine on the camera?
My eyes are
Yeah, it looks good on the camera.
And that's all that matters. So like conceal it now. Conceal. Please don't feel. Don't
That is not how the song goes.
What?
And I'll
Conceal, don't feel, don't let
Yeah. Just cake that on. Look like an Instagram beauty guru. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take it on.
Oh my god, it's cake.
Ow, ow, ow.
Wow.
You guys want to do PSAT studying together?
Absolutely.
I told Julia when it was and she started freaking out. She didn't tell me anything and I asked my
They didn't tell us anything.
I was like, when is it? And he's like, let me look it up for you.
They play in my
I watched every college acceptance video.
This one girl was 10 looking at it.
Oh my god, literally she looks like she's 10.
I just love how Haley Kiyoko from Lemonade Mouth is known on Twitter as a lesbian
She's a
Jesus now.
legend.
I'm horrible at contour.
Me too. Ow!
I see your patchy tan, but I love it.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Great.
Actually honored that I'm in the presence of you two. And I'm surprised you're not like, okay, so you can like leave now.
Wow, I did very good.
It looks okay for black.
You think it looks like Nikki then? You know? I mean, it looks okay. I don't know. Like, it doesn't look bad.